Here we go.
Alright, 3, 2.
Good morning, class. We're talking about parallel and perpendicular lines. Have anybody seen this before?
Yes.
Okay.
No. Oh, I'm
Who
sorry.
have?
I'm sorry. I was thinking out loud.
Perpendicular lines are lines that meet at a 90-degree angle. Parallel lines never meet. Look for lines in the same orientation and are not slanted. Here is the example of perpendicular lines. Can anybody tell me where does it meet? Where does it meet? What angle?
90 degree.
90-degree angle, but which one it meeting with?
CD and X, CD
Okay, you see CD and XY. So we write it as AB is perpendicular to CD and AB is perpendicular to XY. Here we have an example of parallel lines. Can anybody identify which lines are parallel?
CD and XY.
CD and XY, and it is written as CD is parallel to XY. Now we're gonna talk about slope-intercept form. We use the formula of y equal to the mx plus b. Have anybody seen one like this one before? Okay. I'm sure you used this one time before. Okay, one example is you got to find the slope-intercept. 4x minus 5y equals 12. What is the first thing you notice about this equation?
X is on the same side as the Y.
That's right, the x and the y are both on the same side. Good. So, if we're finding the slope, which one we need to get rid of? Can anybody tell me?
The X.
We need to get rid of the
X.
y term, because we want the x term, because the x term is going to be the slope. Okay? So what would we do? Can anybody tell me to get rid of the x term? First of all, you need to see what you got. You got 4x minus 5y equals 12. So what we would do, we would divide everything by what? 5. We're going to divide everything by 5. And that's how we got our 4/5 x minus 12/5 equals 0. Because you know we had to bring the 5, the 4x over here on the side with the 12. So when we divided everything out, that's how we got 4/5 x minus 12/5 equals 0. Well, it's supposed to equal to y. That's what y equals to. Supposed to be y. Okay, so the slope for every line will be what? 4/5. Okay? Any questions about that? Perpendicular line, the x and the x1 and the x2 must equal to a -1. Because we have to take the reciprocal. Remember when you do perpendicular line, you got to take the reciprocal, right? Anybody remember that? Okay, our equation is negative 6x minus 9y equals 4. Now, we're going to do the same thing that we did on the other. What did we do? We got to divide everything by what? 9. And that's how we got y equal to 6x over 9 plus 4 9. Now, we're not done. What we're going to have to do, we're going to have to find what I told you. It's got to equal to that slope, got that perpendicular slope, every line for it got to equal to what? -1. So we got our slope. What is our slope? When you're looking at this. What did I tell you our slope be? X. Slope is the X. So we got a negative 2/3 X. So what we're gonna have to do to make it a perpendicular? We're gonna have to multiply the reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of negative 2/3? 3/2. And then when we multiply that out, we get a -1 because we know it's a -1. So our for every line perpendicular, it's gonna be 3/2. Do you understand how I got that? Any questions? This is what they're gonna do for homework.
Mhm.
Class.
Mhm. Stop.